There are many decisions to be made when choosing a holiday destination. Beaches or mountains, museums or ruins, adventure or relaxation. And according to a 2016 study by the World Food Travel Association, local cuisine is among the top 5 considerations for travelers when booking a trip. On Wednesday, Istanbul hosted the 3rd Global Gastro-Economy Summit. Industry professionals, food enthusiasts, and figures from the international culinary scene have been invited to the summit here in Istanbul. Organizers say they want to promote the Turkish cuisine on the global stage. They also want to highlight new strategies to bring sustainability to the industry.
Now we noticed that we have a big asset and we want to develop, and we are organizing such events like today. And in the future, I believe that Turkish gastronomy will have an impact on the Turkish tourism, a lot of impact. Lots of tourists will be coming to Turkey.
With a rich and expansive gastronomical tradition, Turkey is working to bring food to the forefront of its sustainable economic growth model in tourism.
The more local products we use, the less carbon footprintage we leave in the world, in the globe. So to start with, we say think global, act local, and use local products to support the local producers and to minimize your carbon footprints.
Industry professionals say the economic benefits of food tourism can help revive local economies and contribute to sustainable tourism. It's hoped events like this one will lead to the revival of one of Turkey's most valuable assets, its rich and vibrant cuisine, and show how global food tourism can contribute to a better future. Sümeyye Ceylan, TRT World.